This is the departures area at McCarran Airport here in Las Vegas. And it's changed. They're obviously renovating here. Curiously enough, I'm flying out of the B gates today, which, I don't know, maybe it's because it's 6 in the morning, but it's like you have American Airlines over here, and then Southwest is behind me. Anyway, and then we'll take the escalator. I'm really not good at escalators with holding this phone, so I'm actually going to pause it. And so we're back on the top. C and D gates down there, A and B down there. But again, I'm pretty sure you can actually go through any of the security lines, and then because the gates are all connected. Anyway, just a short video. Thanks for watching.